Hi, I'm Dr. Ludwig Allegro, Northwest Face and Body, and today I want to talk about tummy tucks. Great procedure. This is one of those procedures that patients absolutely love. It's hard not to. Specifically, it's addressing all of the excess tissues that one may have for several reasons. This is a procedure that is most commonly indicated after pregnancy or perhaps significant weight loss, where the tissue simply does not return back to a normal position. It doesn't have the elasticity to come back, resulting in rolls of tissue or heaviness that's present. And this is uncomfortable. It makes clothing very difficult. And quite frankly, even just getting around can sometimes be more challenging. So as a procedure, it's one of the most satisfying procedures that we perform. Very simple. It's essentially like tailoring a garment. We make a very low panty line incision, and then we just very gently release the tissue over the area. The belly button is actually left where it is. We don't move the belly button, we don't remove the belly button, we leave it exactly where it is and release around it. And then once everything is redraped and tailored, if you will, the belly button just reemerges through a new little buttonhole we make, basically. At the same time, we almost always will take the opportunity to tighten the muscular structure underneath, because most individuals will have some ballooning or laxity of the abdominal wall, certainly following pregnancy. That's very common. And by tightening that area, it will restore a nice flat tummy. We often will incorporate some liposuction to deal with areas of tissue that we're actually not removing, in order to increase the flatness and the flow and smoothness of curves throughout the area. This is actually a remarkably gentle procedure. We are extremely efficient with this procedure, often performed in under 2 hours, and recovery is remarkably fast. This is a procedure with often no bruising to speak of. My patients are able to be up and about immediately. And at certainly the 1 week to 10 day mark, most of my patients will look at me and say, this was not even a thing, and are remarkably quick in terms of the overall recovery. The basic technique and concept emphasizes gentleness. This is a procedure that can be done quickly, but also extremely gently, with extremely minimal bleeding during the time of the procedure. This translates into, in most cases, no bruising to speak of. Using this kind of technique, this allows my patients to really enjoy a very rapid and uneventful recovery. This is often with little, if any, bruising, and restoring the ability to resume function rapidly, often being able to drive in under 1 week. As a procedure, literally one of the most satisfying procedures that we perform. Literally the next day, looking down, and everything is gone, flat and tight. Patients end up being amongst the happiest in terms of the overall outcome. Procedure with great results, longevity, and fun.